Make a pink color balloon like this by following the simple trick I'm going to show you. For this very simple trick, we will be needing a white balloon, a red balloon, a pencil and a balloon pump. First we'll take our pencil and the red balloon and we'll push this pencil inside the red balloon. Make sure that it's till the end. We'll take our white balloon and we will push our red balloon inside it. Make sure that you push it till the end, but also make sure that you still have grip on the red balloon. Take out the pencil and then take the balloon pump. Make sure that you still have the red color balloon in front of you. It doesn't completely go in the white color. Hold these two good together here and then we'll inflate this balloon. Pump it how much you want to pump, and then at the end take the red color and make a knot here. And here you have easily at home created pink color balloon. Now that was easy, wasn't it? Let me know in the comment section below how you did like this simple trick. If you did like it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do check all the other decorations on my channel. I have many decorations, balloon tricks and all kinds of other DIYs on my channel. Have a look at them and I'm sure you'll find something awesome to make your occasion special. If you don't want to miss any of my future decorations, then make sure that you click on the red subscribe button so you don't lose my channel and you stay updated on all my future decorations.